Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you that how can we insert a PDF file into our Word document. So here I am creating a Word document with some sample text and I want my PDF file to be inserted here. So this is my PDF file that contains some more text and I want it inserted into my Word document. So how do I do this? The process is pretty simple. You need to go to the Word document and the exact place where you want this insertion to happen. So I want my insertion to happen between the words text and will. So I place my cursor over here. I go to the insert tab and here select this object. Now depending on the version of your Microsoft Office, these positions may be a bit different, but your end goal is to insert an object into your Word file. So click on this object and here is this option to create from file, which means from an already existing file you can just add it into a Word document. So I just go on browse. Why I'm choosing this option? Because I already have a PDF file created with me. I just select my PDF file and click on insert, click on OK, and here the name of the PDF file, its extension and its icon which shows it as a PDF file is inserted. If I want to open it up, I can just simply do a double click. It will ask me for confirmation. I can click on open and here you can see that my PDF file is opened. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.